Meaning of gleefully.
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 Gleefully. Gleefully is an adverb that describes an action done with great joy or satisfaction. It is often used to indicate a sense of playful or mischievous pleasure. For example, someone might gleefully jump up and down after completing a difficult task or laugh gleefully when they hear a joke. In 84 words, the use of gleefully can add a layer of enthusiasm and excitement to a situation. Whether it's celebrating a victory, expressing pleasure at a surprise, or indulging in a guilty pleasure, using this word helps communicate a strong positive emotion. However, it's worth noting that the connotation of gleefully can also be negative, such as when someone takes pleasure in causing harm or mischief.